is how you make a wheel in Blender using the CAD Sketcher add-on. If something's already here, just file new, general. If nothing's there, let's just begin. Add sketch. Pick a plane. Wait for it to turn white. If you're not quite sure which plane it is, you can always rotate it by dragging this area here. But the better way to do it is hold shift. Just click on the scroll wheel and you can see this better. So we want this one on the ground. Click it. That means you just entered sketch mode. So that means you can start drawing two-dimensional objects. I'm going to select the circle down below here. Click in the beginning, in the midpoint. Click, move your mouse, click. You can press the Z too to go straight up and down with the circle. Midpoint. Convert, none, mesh. This prepares it for 3D. Leave. Now it's like a paper thin, just like a piece of paper. It's 3D but very thin. It's a plane. Again, orthographic mode will make it look more mathematical by clicking this button. Perspective, it kind of just goes into the distance towards a focal point. I prefer orthographic when I'm making parts. If you click and drag the hand tool, it'll drag it around. Or you can hold the shift key and click on the scroll wheel, and that is how you navigate. And the scroll wheel obviously zooms. So the wrench, add modifier, hover over this down arrow, solidify. Let's change the thickness to, 10. Enter. And the offset, let's just do 1. So it's not in the ground, it's above the ground. Like that. That's how you make a wheel.